Hello Panthers. Today I'm going to show you how to set up a blog for your blogging assignment. It's pretty simple. You'll need to make sure that you're signed into your Jeffco Schools account. jeffcoschools.us is our Google account, and Blogger is a Google product. So let's just go ahead and start going through the steps. I already signed in, but it'll ask you to sign in, and then you can complete the profile. I am not going to. So you just continue to Blogger. And right now, you can see I don't really have anything. I don't have a blog yet. And so you're going to create a new blog, and you're going to give it a title. So I'm going to call this the test blog. The address will be www.allentestblog.blogspot.com. Doesn't like that for some reason. Here we go. So it says the blog address is not available. So let's try Mr. Allen Test Blog. That one is available. So you want to get this little check mark, and all of your addresses are going to have this .blogspot.com because we're dealing with free blogs. So unless you want to pay for a domain name, it's going to have to be free. They have just a couple different templates. You can change this later, so it doesn't really matter what you pick now. I'll just pick travel, and we'll create the blog. So it's thinking, and then you're going to change your name. So maybe you would name it, oh no, this is asking you for a domain name. You don't want to do this. You want to click no thanks. So right now you have your stats, and you don't have any posts yet. So you can kind of customize the way that your blog looks. You can go down here, to template and change the different views. I really like these dynamic views. They're kind of neat. I like this one right here. And then there's a whole bunch to choose from. So, maybe I'll just choose this this red one. Looks good. So we're going to apply to blog. You can also go and click on this layout button, and you can add gadgets to it. Right now you have an about me and a blog archive, but you can add a whole bunch of different stuff. You can add a profile, you can add images, you can add different pages, you can add text. You can really customize the blog and make it what you want it to be. And then the place where you're going to be doing the most of your work is in posts, where you will just go and create a new post, and you're going to title it, and you're going to do your assignments and click and type things up. And I always make sure that I put labels. So if the blog post is about a rose for Emily, I make sure to put a rose for Emily and like Faulkner's last name and things like that. It makes it more searchable. You can, if you want, schedule your blog posts. So if you don't want it to go up on the site right that instant, when you click the publish button, you can click set date and time and have them scheduled. So if you want your blog post to go out every Tuesday evening at 7 o'clock, but you want to write them beforehand, you can do that too. There's options down here. For the reader comments, you need to always allow the reader comments. Don't click don't allow. You want to allow because you want people to see and be able to talk about your blog post. That's why we're doing this. We're setting up a community. When you're done with your blog post, you're just going to click post, and then you're going to start gaining comments, and you can click here to see all your comments as they are populated. The big thing, safety factor, that I want to make sure that we're aware of, you're going to appear as your student ID number in here, and then you can title your blog whatever you want. You can change your profile to say your name. I wouldn't use your full name. I would use like your first name and your last initial. That way, if there's any weirdos out on the internet and they're looking at your site, they won't be able to get your full name. It's just a safety thing that I would recommend. So there's lots of different options. You can kind of play around and make your blog whatever you want, and it's going to be a really good thing. We're going to have some fun connecting over the internet and discussing literature. So go forth and make your blog.